Hi, I'm Erin Reeves with Reeves Associates and eXp Realty. Today we're going to talk about the 3 reasons that keep people moving here to Calgary from all over the country. Over the past few years, Calgary's been becoming one of the fastest growing cities in the country. There are tons of people still coming this way, including families, downsizers, young professionals for the lifestyle, the affordability, and there's a ton of opportunity that the city brings. Let's start with the biggest driver, which is affordability. Compared to big cities like Vancouver and Toronto, your money in Calgary goes a lot further. Those people are used to living in condo type apartment style homes. Here, coming to Calgary, you're getting a detached property, maybe a larger yard for your family. Your money is going to go a little bit further and get you more space, getting out of that core downtown condo living only structure that you may be feeling in some of the bigger city centers. So even for the local buyers we have here in the city, people are staying within the city because there is a wide range of home styles that will fit, their lifestyle, their affordability, and where they're at in their current position. We have a ton of townhomes to choose from, laned homes, your front attached garage home, and then you're getting into the move up estate product as well. There is such a range of opportunity and home styles that really can personalize to what you're looking for in your current life. Okay, key point number 2 is the lifestyle and the quality of life you can have here in Calgary. You are still getting all of the city amenities without all of the city chaos. You can be as close as 20 minutes to downtown. With the new ring road, you can really be 25 minutes to anywhere around the city, which is just something that you're not finding in most city centers with the congestion of traffic and just the overpopulation for the infrastructure. We still have lots of space, ease of movement with still, using all of the benefits of the city life. And don't forget the access to the mountains. We're only 45 minutes from some of the best ski hills in the world. You're a quick drive out from Banff, where people are coming from all over the country to experience the great recreational activities that we luckily have so close to us and our city. And key point number 3, the economic opportunities and the growth that we have here in the city. Calgary has a ton of exposure to our energy sector, gas, tech moving in, right down to the Amazon warehouse coming into the city. There's a ton of opportunity. There's a lot of momentum right now. Population growth, development is super active, and there's more companies choosing to come to Calgary and lay some roots and foundation down here in our economy. So what that means for buyers is that creates a lot of confidence, not just in buying the home, but there's still a lot of movement in the market and a lot of room for growth with your investment. So if you're thinking about making a move or just curious about the next steps and the opportunities out there, we are certainly here to help. You can reach out to us. Contact information is in the description box below. Let's have a quick conversation, lay out a game plan, and make sure that you're feeling comfortable about your goals and what you're trying to achieve.